Hi friends, I hope you liked our previous jute bag video, and as I promised, I'm back again here with BOPP video. So biaxially oriented polypropylene, this is what BOPP stands for. BOPP means that you can plan whatever designs you want, whatever color that you want. BOPP gives you that kind of a flexibility of going full on your design and design idea for your packaging. But at the same time, there are a few things that we have to keep in mind, which I'm going to talk about right now. BOPP, because it has multicolor options in it, so it also comes with a minimum order quantity. If you're planning BOPP, be prepared that your minimum order quantity is anywhere between 10,000 to 20,000. If your color combinations, if your designs are very beautiful, more colors in the design, then you might have to go up to about 30 to 40,000 bags as minimum order quantity also. But then if your packaging is say 5 kg or 10 kg, a smaller pack, then the minimum order quantity will further increase, right? So one quick thing that you need to understand is that what product are you going to pack in this BOPP packing? Is it a low value product? Is it a high value product? In majority of the cases, it is for high value product because the cost of packaging is going to also be on the higher side. As usual, we take an example of rice. In rice, even in rice, you cannot use BOPP for all types of varieties, right? If you're doing with broken rice, if you're dealing with IR64, if you're dealing with Swarna rice, which are low priced quality rice, BOPP normally does not come into the picture. BOPP comes into the picture for good quality, high value rice, like say anything above say Sona Masuri, RNR, Kolam, HMT, Gobindbhog, and majority of the basmati rice, BOPP becomes a very good idea. In BOPP, you could also go for a simple packaging with say 2 color combinations or 3 color combinations also, in which case your cost of your bag come down. But normally you might have seen, my friends, BOPP is used for those designs which has multicolor and it's all color. The whole background will be, for example, in yellow or red, and on that there is a lot of designs, pictures, wordings that come into it. In this case, you also have to decide that and also have to understand that there is a cylinder making expense that comes into every particular packaging, right? So in BOPP, this is also one factor that you have to look into, because the cylinders are also going to be expensive in making BOPP packaging. The market that takes this kind of variety of packaging and for product is either good high value domestic demand, or in case of exports, it goes to say Middle East countries, it goes to say Singapore for Sona Masuri or Ponni rice, or say US and Europe. This kind of packaging is never used to shipments to Africa or say for shipments to Vietnam, Philippines, etc. Right? What could be the price range of this packaging? Assuming that the packaging is a 25 kg packaging that we are talking about, we have discussed in the past that normal PP is roughly around 10 to 12 rupees. The jute bags we talked about being at about 40 odd rupees. BOPP, a simple 2-3 color BOPP could be anywhere between say 20 to 21 rupees, and a fully colored, multicolored bag with a lot of designs could be anywhere between 25 to 30 to 35 rupees also, based on your design and the material that you want, right? This is all for BOPP, my friends. Please bear in mind that if you are working on BOPP, these are the factors: MOQ, price range for which market, and the kind of product is very important to decide. I hope you like this video, and I'm going to see you soon. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have liked the BOPP video. Very soon we are going to come up with non-woven bags video. Stay tuned. Please share your love, comment, share with your friends. I will speak with you soon.